Hi, my name is Fiona McEnroy and I am the owner of Healthy Ever After. I began my company in 2017 and I was teaching healthy cooking classes to kids in GMIT. Then with COVID, I managed to pivot my business online, and now primarily I teach healthy cooking classes to kids a couple of times a week. So when I was approached by Gaillimh Gaelic, I jumped at the chance. I just thought it was like a light bulb moment. I just thought, why am I not doing that already? Why am I not teaching Irish in my classes already? So I really jumped at the chance to start incorporating Irish into my classes and into my business. I was contacted by RTE and that they found my website and they saw that I had incorporated Irish into my website. And I have no doubt in my mind that the only reason they contacted me was because I've taken part in this Galway Gaelic and that kind of shone a light on my business.